Hey guys, so I'm Andy and this is my very first YouTube video. So I'm really excited, I hope you like it, and I guess it's not that interesting who I am, so we just right away start with my new DJI Mavic Pro. To be honest, I already got it open, but here it is. Gonna show you just what's in there, and let's start from there. Okay, so here it is, my DJI Mavic Pro. So we got in here remote control. Yeah, it's already a little bit dirty. I've never flown with any drone before, so I'm a really beginner. More a little bit later. Then we got the drone. Ta-da-da-da. We open. Just 1, 2, 3 and 4. I know these are other propellers from the a little bit newer model of the Mavic Pro. They say they are 4 decibel less loud, so yeah, just keep them on because the owner before was buying them already, so that's fine. So what else we got? We got some propellers. These are the original ones. They look a little bit different. So I've got another battery. I think it's pretty important to have an extra battery. I'm gonna buy 1 or 2 others just to be sure to have enough battery to fly. But I think the problem is when you got 3 or 4 batteries is more the battery of the remote control that you're gonna lose the energy in here. So I guess 2 or 3 batteries are enough, but I just want to be sure, so I'm gonna try it. So 1, 2. We got the charging hub and the cable for the charging hub. A USB cable. There are 3 of these cables. They are all a little bit different. One is for the iPhone, one is for a normal Android handy, or yeah, let's say a regular USB, mini USB port. And the third one, I got it already on here, is for the USB Type-C port, because I am using a Galaxy S8, so I have to use the USB-C. And I got the warranty and descriptions and the bill, and yeah, that's pretty much all we got in the box here. Okay, so enough talking, I guess. Let's see a little footage of my first flying. So, let's go.